Today I'm going to be reviewing Vynix sleep mask for men or women. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like right here. Very simple. I've actually had these before. I don't want to say it's heavy, but it's a little bit more substantial than other ones. What I really like, I don't know if you can see this 3D kind of cushions all over to get you that. Obviously, having the full blackout is what you need. And I will say I had to just adjust it a little bit to get the full blackout. There's just a little tiny amount of light coming through here, and I just adjusted a little bit and I got it. It has straps on the back to be able to tighten it or loosen it. So you just adjust it on there. But I get migraines. So if you get migraines or anything like that and you need blackout, that's going to do it. Also comes with a card on how to use it to adjust it properly. Also remember, you can hand wash this 40-degree water. You don't want to get it soaked, so you don't want to soak it in anything. You basically just want to wipe it off and let it air dry. Not too wet or anything like that. You cannot put this in the microwave either. This gets 4.7 stars, only has 49 reviews, but I can tell you I already used it and it feels good. It's an Amazon choice, and last month 2,000 plus of these were bought. So people are buying them. They're not getting returned. They're very inexpensive. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.